Wave.
Why, you're a cat.
A Cheshire cat.
Oh, it really doesn't matter. As long as I can...
Then it really doesn't matter which way.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. My name is Cash, like money. Before we get into this Halloween look, if you would first, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the glam fam. And as always guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked into my newest content. Jesus. So if you want to see how I got this Halloween look, then please keep watching. Hey guys, so first I'm going to start with Glam Glow and No Problem Primer. Then I'm going to continue with Fit Me Foundation. This is a matte full coverage foundation, so I'm just doing the dots to evenly disperse it around my face. Using a flat foundation brush, I'm just going to blend that out onto concealer. I'm using IT Cosmetics by Concealer. This concealer is a little bit thick, so I am spreading it out with a different brush. And then I do recommend setting this with a powder. I'm going to use LA Colors Translucent Powder. You should set it because it is pretty thick and it can get cakey. Using Hank & Henry's liner in Biggity Black, I'm just going to take my wing and draw my wing first, and then I'm going to do the inner corner, and then I'm going to go back and forth to darken that line. If it's not perfect, it's okay. Now I'm taking in the product Billion Dollar Brows. I'm not really a fan of this. This is for really light brows, but it is in the shade dark. I didn't feel like it was dark enough for my brows, so since this is a Halloween tutorial, I went ahead and used a black liner just to fill in my brows. So I normally wouldn't do this in everyday makeup, but since it's a Halloween tutorial, I just lined the top and the bottom, and then I kind of just didn't fill them in, and I kind of blended it out to get a darker look. Here I'm extending my liner for a cat look. Using Butter London's Power Up Mascara, I'm just going to do my bottom lashes and blend my top ones. LA Colors Plump. I'm using this color for my nose because the Cheshire Cat's nose is more purple, so I'm just using that to fill it in, kind of like a base, because I'm going to go over it with other colors. Make sure not to get it into your nostrils, and then go over it just to make an even line across. Using my handy dandy Halloween palette, I'm going to take this pink color, and I'm just going to fill that in to give it more of a Cheshire look. I'm just adding accents here to my eyes and my nose, and then I'm contouring my nose with purple and doing a nose outline. Taking Elmar Cosmetics Trio palette, and I'm just going to use this blush color right here as my contour and putting it on my forehead. Then I'm going to take this purple color from my palette prior to and just make little marks down the side of my cheeks for that Cheshire Cat look. Here I'm adding an upside down triangle, and I'm doing those same marks in the middle of my forehead. Now to the fun stuff. So I just took a regular black from my palette, and I'm going to start drawing the mouth and the teeth. You just want to make small triangles, kind of gradually getting smaller, and same thing to the top. Now I'm just filling in the black to make the teeth more prominent, and then we're going to go over the teeth with a white paint. So here you can see I'm filling in all of the dark parts with black, and then for the teeth we're just going to fill them in with white to define them. So here I am taking the white and filling it in the teeth area. If you mess up, it's okay. You can go back in with either the white or the black to make it more defined. I'm just kind of rushing through for the purpose of this tutorial, but you can see here the basics of it. So then you should get something like this. Now to add whiskers, I'm just taking light sweeping strokes with a very thin brush. So the color I just grabbed up from the palette is just a black. I'm just blending out the harsh lines and making it look more softer. Then I'm going to take a purple color and go over it just to blend it in and make the colors flow more effortlessly. Using Toasted, the same exact color we used for our contour, I'm just doing that all over my neck just so it's more for dramatic effect. You can or can't do that last part if you want.
It really doesn't matter. As long as I can...
Then it really doesn't matter which way.
I don't have anything else to say except for I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.